Morning students. Now we are going to learn objectives of business. This is chapter 2 in our 11th standard commerce. This title comes under unit 1 fundamentals of business. Learning objectives of this chapter is to enable the students to know the meaning of human activities and its kinds. Learn the economic versus non-economic activities. Know the types of economic activities such as employment, profession, and business. To understand the concept of business, explain the characteristics of business activities, analyze the objectives of business, elucidate the comparison of business, profession, and employment. Let us go for introduction. Human activities. What is human activity? Human activity is an activity performed by an human being to meet his/her needs and wants or maybe for personal satisfaction. Human activities can be categorized into economic and non-economic activities. The chart below gives a snapshot of human activities. Look at the chart. A human activity is classified into two, that is economic activity and non-economic activity. Under economic activity, it is classified into three categories. One is employment, second business, then profession. Under employment, it is classified into management, supervisor, and worker. Under business, it is categorized into commerce and industry. Under profession, it is classified into lawyer, doctor, auditor, and engineer. Non-economic activity classified into religious activity, charity, social work, patriotism, personal satisfaction, physical requirements, and love and affection. The classification of human activity is classified into two, economic activity and non-economic activity. What is economic activity? Activities undertaken with the object of earning money are called economic activity. This will be in 2-mark question. Mark it. Example for economic activities are production of goods by manufacturers, distribution of goods by wholesalers, selling by retailers, medical advice rendered by physicians, accounting practice by chartered accountants. Non-economic activity. What do you mean by non-economic activity will be in 2-mark question. Mark it. Activities undertaken to satisfy social and psychological needs are called non-economic activities. Examples: cooking food for family, celebrating festivals, and watching movies in a theater, doing meditation or comes under non-economic activity. Economic activity versus non-economic activity. Under economic activities, the definition of economic activities is: economic activities are those activities which are undertaken to earn money or financial gain for livelihood. Example: fruit seller selling fruits. Non-economic activities are defined as non-economic activities are those activities which are undertaken for the sake of pleasure, performed out of love, sympathy, sentiments, etc. Example: mother cooks for her family. Motive of economic activities is sole motive is to earn money or financial gain. Example: working as a lawyer. Under non-economic activities, the motive is to undertaken for satisfaction of social, psychological or emotional needs. Example, visit to a temple. Money measurement. Under economic activity, all economic activities can be valued in monetary terms. Example, doctor charges rupees 500 as consultation fee. Under non-economic activity, non-economic activities cannot be valued in money terms. These are an expression of a thought, feeling, or a gesture. Example, an NGO distributes free clothes to poor children. Relationship. Under economic activities are related to creation of wealth. Example, Ram saved part of his salary to purchase a house of his own. Under non-economic activity, do not create wealth. Example, money received as donation is spent on charity work. Outcome. Under economic activities, all economic activities result in production, procurement, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Example, Nokia produces cell phones and sells across India through its distributors. Under non-economic activities, the end result of a non-economic activity is the mental, emotional, or psychological satisfaction of the person doing the activity. Example, Sona enjoys teaching orphans in an orphanage. Duration. Under economic activity, economic activities are repetitive. They are done on a regular basis to earn a living. Example, Gulfi ice cream seller sells ice creams every evening. Under non-economic activity, the non-economic activities may not be undertaken regularly. Usually they are done during free time. Example, Sankar visits orphanage in his free time. Source of initiation. Under economic activities are initiated to satisfy human needs and wants. Under non-economic activities are initiated to satisfy emotional or sentimental pleasure. Types of economic activities. Economic activities are undertaken to earn money. Generally, people engage themselves in such activities on a regular basis and are said to be engaged in their occupation. Occupations may be classified into three categories based on the following: employment, profession, business. What are the three categories of occupation? Maybe in 2 mark question, market. Employment. It refers to the occupation in which people work for others and get remuneration in the form of wages or salaries. The one who is employed by others are called employees, and the one who employs others is called employer. Manager, clerks, bank officials, factory workers, etc. are examples of employees. Characteristics. There is a contract existing between the employer and the employee. Employee performs according to assigned task. Remuneration is given to employees for delivering value of services. An employee must abide by the rules and regulations of the organization. Profession. Profession are those occupations which involve rendering of personal services of a special and expert nature. A profession is something which is more than a job. What do you mean by profession, or define profession? Maybe in 2 mark question or 3 mark question. Market. It is a career for someone who is competent in their respective areas. It includes professional activities which are subject to guidelines or codes of conduct laid down by professional bodies. Those engaged in a profession are called professionals and they earn income by charging professional fee. Characteristics of profession is there should be a systematic body of knowledge. There should be formal acquisition of knowledge by the members. There should be a code of conduct governing the conduct and behavior of professionals. Service motive should be uppermost in the minds of the people rendering professional service. Business. Business refers to any human activity undertaken on a regular basis with the object to earn profit through production, distribution, purchase, and sale of goods and services. What is the main object of business? Will be in 1 mark question. The answer is to earn profit. Underline. This will be in 1 mark question. Definition for business is business may be defined as an activity involving regular production or purchase of goods and services for sale, transfer, and exchange with an object of earning profit. According to James Stephenson, business refers to economic activities performed for earning profit. According to H. Haney, business may be defined as a human activity directed towards producing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling of goods. Define business means you can write definition only. What do you mean by business mean? You can write the meaning. Business activities are connected with raising, producing, or processing of goods. Industry creates form utility to goods by bringing material into the form which is useful for intermediate consumption, that is further use of material in order industry or final consumption by consumers. Classification. Business activities are classified on the basis of size, ownership, and function. Activities on the basis of size. On the basis of size, business activities may be broadly grouped into two categories. One is small scale, another one is large scale. Under small scale business, small scale units require less capital. They employ small number of workers and produce the goods on small scale. Example, manufacturing textile in handloom or power looms. Extraction of edible oil from seeds like groundnut, sesame through traditional wooden churner. Large scale. Under large scale, the large scale units require huge capital. They employ large number of workers and produce the goods on large scale. Example, manufacturing textile in a large textile mill. Example, Raymond's, Ramraj Cotton, etc. The extraction of edible oil from oil seeds in oil mills. Example, Saffola sunflower. Then, activities on the basis of ownership. On the basis of ownership, business activities may be broadly grouped into three categories: private enterprise, public enterprise, and joint enterprise. Under private enterprise, an enterprise is said to be a private enterprise where it is owned, managed, and controlled by persons other than government. Sole proprietorship, example, Sundar Stationaries. Under partnership firm, example, Ramesh Brothers. Public enterprises. An enterprise is said to be a public enterprise where it is owned, managed, and controlled by government or any of its agencies or both. Public enterprises may be organized in several forms such as departmental undertaking, public works department, that is PWD, public corporation, oil and natural gas corporation, ONGC, government company, state trading corporation, STC. are some of the example of public enterprise. Joint enterprises. An enterprise is said to be a joint enterprise where it is owned, managed and controlled by government and private entrepreneurs. Example, Maruti Suzuki. Activities on the basis of function. On the basis of function, business activities may be broadly grouped into two categories, industry and commerce. Industry include all those business activities which are connected with raising, producing or processing of consumer goods. Example, bread, butter, cheese, shoes or capital goods like machinery. Commerce. It establishes a link between the producer and consumer of goods and maintains a smooth and uninterrupted flow of goods from producer to consumer. The classification of business activities maybe in 3 mark or 5 mark questions. Activities on the basis of size, activities on the basis of ownership, activities on the basis of scale will be in 5 mark or 3 mark question. Mark it. I hope that you all understand about the objectives of business, human activities, economic activities and non-economic activities, and employment, profession, business and classification of business activities. Thank you, students.